Hi everybody, this is Vivi from WMT CNC. We're a specialized manufacturer and supplier with over 25 years experience. Our main products are gantry type machining center, CNC lathe, CNC milling, conventional lathe, milling machine, and so on. Our products are exported more than 50 countries around the world. Besides the wide range of products and the rich experience in exporting and manufacturing, we have a professional engineer team. They will strictly control the productions and will check and test before delivery to ensure every machine runs well. Today, we would like to introduce you one of our popular lathe machine, CJM280K-A. Let me introduce you the features of this machine. This machine has an upgraded function. You can directly set it on the panel. You don't have the change gears. You can choose cutting feed or cutting threads. If you choose the cutting feed, it is also can be chosen in metric or in inch. The pitch is also can be set it according to your requirements. The length of this machine is 117 centimeters. The width is 73 centimeters. The height is 60 centimeters. The weight is 260 kilograms. This is the trunk cover. If you open this one, the trunk will stop. If you open the door of the spindle box, the machine will lose power. The spindle will stop. This is the spindle box. We can see some specifications here. The main model power is 1.1 kilowatt. The spindle speed range is 30 to 2000 RPM. The spindle taper is MT5. The spindle bore is 38 mm. The distance between the two centers is 500 mm. The max swimming of the bed is 280 mm. The max swimming of the carriage is 165 mm. This is the carriage box. The travel of the top slide is 75 mm. This is the tailstock. The taper is MT3. The standard accessories of this machine are 3-drawer trunks, belt, double head wrenches, trunk spanner, and dead center. If you don't know how to choose the model and options, don't worry, we have a professional engineer team. You can send us the drawing or tell me the size of your workpiece. Our engineer will recommend you the suitable machine. Any machinery requests, please kindly contact us. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.